SKU is, I mean, the tip top. It's the greatest accelerator for any CPG brand.
It's iconic. Like, when I found out about SKU, I was like, these are the best in the business. They are where I want to be.
Definitely, I think I've been surprised by how much the mentors care, like so deeply.
You know, willing to connect you, willing to step in, willing to help, bring new ideas, things that we never thought about before. Is just, we don't know what we don't know.
It's honestly a humbling experience. Every day I'm learning something that I didn't know, and I'm just constantly trying to improve.
Yesterday was an incredible opportunity to meet so many of these folks that I read about, from people in the industry with current information.
For every single success in CPG and many other industries, you know, there are literally 99 failures. The magic of participating in SKU is that you get surrounded by a number of people, mentors who work with you, and those mentors are either post-exit founders, so people who have survived that whole roller coaster and that minefield and came out successfully.
My company background, I've worked at places like Kellogg, got the big company experience, and then I love taking those frameworks down to smaller companies.
This is my second, actually I was a finalist a couple of years ago, and got some incredible feedback from the mentors as to why I wasn't chosen as a participant in that track. And so I went back and I took that feedback to heart, and it was actually the best decision I ever made because it opened doors for me, and I'm sitting here now today because I listened to what they had to say.
Because it's hard. It's really hard to be a founder. Having that third-party perspective for them without the emotion is very helpful.
Working with early stage businesses, there's so much opportunity, and so it's like often an embarrassment of riches, and founders are usually running in a lot of different directions at once with a lot of chaos, like in their mind and in their business and their operations. And I've had a couple of experiences where through the conversations that the mentor team is having that there's like a light bulb moment.
I think I have a much clearer picture of what it is we need, what problems are not as problematic as we thought they were, and now like a very clear vision of the steps we need to take to become what we were already seeking to do.
It's different than a traditional one-on-one mentoring program. What you're really doing is just collaborating with all these great minds to help everybody get to a better outcome.
I've watched founders grow so incredibly, and I think one of the things that I love the most is the relationship that the mentors build with each other.
I've made incredible friends and, you know, people that I really see as family, and I always feel like I'm being welcomed home when I get to come to an event.
It feels like one big adult summer camp that never ends, and it's the best group project you've ever been a part of in your life.
I consider it kind of a trifecta between amazing founder selection, very talented SKU crew, and an awesome set of mentors. Like, that's my trifecta right there.
Walking through like a grocery store or a beauty store, like I now don't take it for granted that, okay, this is someone's personal story and like sweat and blood that's now sitting as a product on a shelf. And that to me, you know, I respect that hustle.
It's like your proud little baby is growing in the world.